Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 25 Caversham Woods in Pittsford.
This is a stunning, classic, brick-front colonial, timeless elegance for today's living.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
Welcome your family and friends in this elegant foyer with classic side lights and beautiful hardwood floors. Open to a formal dining room with crown molding and wainscoting, and a beautiful living room with French doors, great for entertaining.
This home is in mint condition and updated to perfection. With a newer white and bright kitchen with recessed lighting, stainless steel appliances, and granite countertops with a center island breakfast bar. Open to a spacious family room with a gas fireplace, custom built-ins, and a wall of windows. All with an adjacent laundry room and updated powder room. Just off the kitchen is this exceptional entertainment-sized porch. This will really take your breath away. Featuring a curved wood beadboard cathedral ceiling and private nature views with adjacent town of Pittsford green space.
The upstairs features 4 spacious bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, including this luxurious and private owner suite, with a walk-in closet, a granite double vanity, and a skylight. This classic brickfront colonial has exceptional architectural detailing, with beautiful landscaping, all backing to town of Pittsford green space. Chatham Woods is a neighborhood of fine homes, close to everything Pittsford has to offer. Here we are in Show and Place in the village of Pittsford.
Pittsford is known for its fabulous restaurants, great shops, and specialty boutiques. Situated on the historic Erie Canal, great for a walk, kayak ride, or boat ride. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 25 Caversham Woods in Pittsford.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!